is looking like you are characterless, but you want your wife to stay with you. But your wife is characterless. You don't want your wife.
One thing.
Yes.
Rich people. Guys, they don't have respect for each other. Of course. Common people have respect.
You guys don't have emotion. You are listless. You are heartless. Why? Because you guys marry one day, divorce another day. Marry one day, divorce another day. Why not, sir? So what? Oh God, sir. What is that? You guys don't have etiquette. You guys don't have morality. What are you talking?
My second answer. Before some time you told common people respect everyone. Yes. It is their compulsion. We respect people. It is our choice.
Wait.
To respect us.
Just luxury guys, just listen, okay?
To respect luxury
Common people,
it is your
if in
compulsion.
case
But
common people
yes.
become a rich people, he survive easily. But as a rich people goes to common life, he cannot live. Because of even Rajinikanth also wants to live in common life. Every people Rajinikanth sir, Rajinikanth.
You told Rajinikanth and many stars. They have the choice to become the common people. But common people had no choice to become
Talking about how we are surviving, we are talking about which lifestyle do you think is the best. We are, of course, I mean, which life do you want to live? There are so many. Hello, hey, bhai, don't discuss, please. There are so many people. They have a lot of money and they don't want to live luxurious life. They don't want to buy Fortuner, right? But we common people, we get a little bit money, we start buying this, because if you want to show off, right? So how do you want to live your life? Just common life, or you just want to live luxurious life? Don't blame you are here just because of this, right? How do you want to live? Just.
Actually, I want to live a common life because at least I will not be pressurized, so much worried about the branded clothes, branded car, branded hotel, everything. I don't want to peacock myself, first of all. And let me tell you the tantrums of luxurious people. If their car malfunction on the road, they start crying, oh my God, my car malfunction, what should I do? They start blaming the branded car. So if I'm a common people, I don't have to worry about that. I can use any transportation and go anywhere, wherever you want to go. So we don't have to worry about that much. So that's why I'm supporting common life. And it's the best way to live.
Exactly. Means we don't have any tension. We are not in depression,
We
right?
are like independent, free. That's called freedom.
If a luxurious people gets his car fractured, if he is
Fractured or
any
malfunction.
any mark fractured,
Or
he
breaks
can
down.
repair it again because he's already luxurious. And before some time you told that we do not want pressurized. Unfortunately, we are not wishing if a person in your family gets unhealthy, if they are suffering from any diseases, any cases, at that time you need crore rupees, lakh rupees. Then at that time, which will help you? Your luxurious life, your fun, your money will help you to get out of that situation.
But we have so many options. Like the government is providing.
Only dying is your option.
We can go in a not in a
You
common
have-
hospital. We don't have to definitely go to.
If you are blood cancer, I do not want. We are not wishing. But unfortunately, if you have the blood cancer, you have the only option of dying, not other options. By the money, it can be cured. But if a person he doesn't money, he can't be cured. He can't be cured.
A dying person can never be cured.
Of course.
Exactly.
It's like
Blood
cancer
cancer,
is
I know
A
incurable.
dying person cannot be cured.
Say if you have money, everything can be cured.
What kind of question?
First of all, sir, as I think that, as far as I think that, the mentality of common people is so small. They used to say that, yes, sir, I'm telling you, they will always say that spread your feet according to blanket. Okay, and they will never tell you that increase the size of the blanket.
Of course, very nice.
Okay, and if we talk about the society of common people society, they are living, they will always murmuring about the others people, and they are not thinking about they should increase technology. If we are luxurious people, we can adopt quality education, technology.
Absolutely, yes.
And we will nourish our children in a right way. Yes. And they will work for the nation. And you were talking about the vehicles. Okay, if we have the great vehicles, we are luxurious life living, and we have money, we can buy a private jet, we can manage our time. Can you manage your time? We can spend 24 hour like 1 year, but you have to spend 24 hour like 1 hour.
Okay, so he said that luxurious people, like we common people, we don't spend within our means. We spend within our means, we don't like overspend. So it's a good thing. We don't need to overspend. At least
It's
we
not a
do
good
not
thing.
have to worry about
It
the
means
stuff.
you are
But-
bonding yourself, capturing yourself. That
Okay,
I don't need to.
So
think.
why should I take a loan to like overspend? Why should I? And who is like bankrupt? Who is fugitive? You are luxurious people. You guys have like looted the
And tell me
country.
the
And
number
your
of
private
people,
jet.
the number of people attempting suicide. The rich people are attempting suicide because of loan, or poor people?
Because of rich people. Because of rich
Poor are people
you
are
guys
attempting
are fugitive. You guys are take loan from the bank and run away from the country.
No, we
Because
are not
of you guys.
fugitive.
You guys
We are-
overspend. You guys
The-
are overspend.
It is.
It is his ability to become fugitive. Maybe.
But sir-
I'm not
No,
promoting
no,
that.
sir. It is
I'm not
exceptional,
promoting.
not-
If Vijay Mallya has become fugitive, Nirav Modi has become fugitive, maybe it is their skill to become fugitive. Arey, they have become, they have, siphoned off, having a lot of money. They are living luxurious life.
Answer.
It's a skill of theirs.
But sir, you guys are robbing the common people money. And
Ah.
common people running money. And who cares about your, who is your like
It is-
pilot?
in some of
Common
cases
people,
it is
we are the
happening,
common
but
people.
most of
Who
cases
cares?
it's
let
not
me, Let me
happening.
complete. You have asked so many questions. Who cares about your, private jet? Who take care of it? When it malfunction, we are the common people, right?
Are you
We
caring
care
the?
about everything.
Are you caring
And
my
who is your
private
time
jet?
management?
And then
who is your manager?
Who made you employed?
Who is your manager?
Who made you employed? Who made you employed?
Who gave me employed?
Who made you employed?
So we are the base for your luxurious life.
If you will be not there, I will clean. I will clean my Rolls
We are the
Royce.
base. We are the foundation.
If you are not there, I will clean. If you are.
Let's suppose common.
Yeah.
Let's suppose for a second. Let's imagine.
I will
if the common
purchase
people
robot.
are not living, how would
I
you
will purchase
survive?
robot.
You guys are so much vulnerable. You cannot live without common people. You cannot have a food without common people.
And you can't survive without rich
For
people.
joining, sir. It was nice to have word with you. Please have a seat. Very nice. Yeah, I mean, he spoke well. Next person who wants to be here from this side, excuse me.
They are working for me. I spend my time with my mom. You are common people. You must have to go job. 9 to 5 job. You must have to go other cities. Must have to go other countries.
You guys are so much busy making money all the time. You guys don't have etiquettes. You guys don't have
worry.
morality.
I'm
How to
happy.
talk to people. You guys don't have sense of credibility.
happy.
You guys have lost your credibility.
So I
You
didn't
guys are
get
because of taking money
I
from the
didn't get
banks and
point.
running away from
Could
the
you please
country.
could you please that I didn't get your point.
I'm saying you guys have lost your credibility. Luxurious people have lost their credibility. You guys take the money and run away from the country. You guys don't have etiquette.
So
You
run
guys
of the
don't have
country,
manners
it's
how
like,
to talk.
It's like
You guys
this mindset. Not every people. If I am luxury, I am living in luxury life. It's you know that Ariel. Because common people need luxury life. They don't have that kind of things. They want to live the luxury life. How many people are?
Thank you for joining, sir. We have very less time.
I
Karna.
have one.
Acha, you have question. Please come. She has question.
If the luxury life is good, so why the richest person and there are many celebrities live the luxurious life and they went to the mountain and please praises.
It's like yeah.
And
I will answer. If yes, it's not depending on mindset. If there is the luxury life, I will sacrifice everything to my workers or anything. That's why I need to free time. That's why I enjoy hiking the places. If I have time, I will go Bali. I will go other
People
countries.
cannot do hiking. What kind of question you're asking?
Looks like your worship is worship, our worship not worship.
You can worship at Kapurdula Chauraha, but we can go to what Himalaya? We can go to Mount Everest, Kedarnath.
Sir, it
Common
sounds
people
like-
can't purchase one Gadha, guys.
It sounds
Of
like,
course, Khachar
sir,
to climb.
it sounds like if you are doing prayer, it is prayer. If we are doing prayer, it is not
That
prayer.
is the depending on mindset. That is depending on mindset.
We don't want you like us.
Once
Sir,
again,
I have a question,
very important point. See, nowadays, rich people are able to get God first. Yes. You have to believe that.
What get?
Get God first. People who have a lot of money, they are easily able to do Hajj, Umrah, and many yatra, like Tirth Yatra, and many things. Rich people are able to do. Common people praying from home
Just give me a second.
just because of money, actually, right? Common people.
Sir, luxurious people are the most cruel people. They are heinous. Let me tell you, sir, you said
No.
if we go on any
Common
pilgrimage, right, we can sit on the donkey and go hike. So you are horse. See you don't feel the pain the horse goes through when you sit on the back of. Of course,
sir.
you guys are
Common people-
emotionless. They are emotionless.
Common
They don't have
people
heartless.
Doing more
They are
scams,
emotionless.
sir.
That's what I'm saying. They
Common
are
people
cruel,
in the
sir.
generation more do scams, sir. Stories, everything.
You need to enhance your knowledge. If a horse, if a horse doesn't do it, it will die. It is its duty to do.
No,
so
sir,
we the people,
it's not its
we
duty.
the luxurious people are making a horse alive just because we are traveling by that. And common people, it will die. It will die.
Sir, it's no horses.
A horse needs to run. If
Sir,
it
it
doesn't
needs to
run,
run, but it does not need to carry a person.
why not?
No, sir, no.
Gadaha.
No, it's not its job.
What is duty of Gadaha?
Sir,
Yes, sir.
sir, as you are saying that horse needs to work. So in the jungles there are no horses. Are they dying? Every horse are dying in the jungle.
Prashant.
If it is mandatory, if it is mandatory to take a work from a horse, otherwise it will be die.
The point was raised here. Why luxurious people go to priest? God is for everyone or not? Please tell me, ma'am. God is for
Yes,
everyone.
sir.
Yes.
Then how can you divide people here? God is for everyone.
Because our mindset, ki we are different.
So I made one point. I made my statement that rich people are able to get God first.
Sir, God values them who values God.
Huh?
God values them who values God.
See, we were saying luxurious people get to see God. Who knows? How can they say? How can they assure they get to see the God?
Who knows?
So they are prioritizing.
Who knows?
Sir.
Who knows
So
God
they
values
are,
that?
sir.
Who knows God? Yes.
Sir.
Yes, of course. Why not?
You need, sir, to stand for you. You have no your words.
Because of that luxury
You
life.
don't have your words.
God value or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, because we
Sir.
What does value me?
Sir, they are so
How can I know
egoistic.
God values me or not?
Sir.
What is he talking about?
Sir,
It is nonsense
Sir,
talk.
they are so egoistic. They are purchasing God by giving money. See?
Sir,
Because how can you purchase God?
How can you purchase God, you are saying?
Of course, we are giving money.
No, sir was saying that you are the first to meet the God first. In the line you are the first. If you give more money, Pandit will give you, aiye sir, aiye.
See, if we have money, we meet God for darshan. If you don't have money, you directly meet God.
You die and directly meet God.
No, God values you, na? Now God is calling you, go.
Yes, sir, of course. Why not? You are saying answer that.
Go now.
Yes. Directly go.
Sir, we are prioritize themselves over God.
Sir, as they are saying that God always used to listen the points and the thoughts of poor people, okay,
Yes.
the common people. Then why God is not listening the beggar sitting out of the temple?
Of course.
Why
not?
God is listening to
Yes.
them? God always listen to the rich people. That's why
Yes.
we are going to become rich.
Rich.
Sir, why God is not listening to the beggars?
Yes, sir, luxury people, sir. Wait, guys. And luxury peoples, please listen. The common life is.
With respect, please. They're luxurious.
Sir. Hey, no, sir. How can I respect? No. Sir, you have to respect luxurious people. You have to respect luxurious people. You have to respect luxurious people. Not my opinion. How can I give respect for you? Common people. You have to respect luxurious people.
Karna has to talk like this.
No, sir. No, sir. We have paid you. We have hired you. Please listen my word. Rich The common peoples give respect to anyone. The rich peoples cannot respect to anyone. Yeah, sir. Everyone shows their attitude. Everyone showing their attitude. But common peoples,
So gratitude.
so gratitude. Yes.
We have money. You don't have money
This is our aptitude.
because you don't have money to show. You only have gratitude to show.
Yes,
You only have gratitude
We
to
don't
show.
have money to show, but we have honest. We have honest. We have happiness. Honesty.
That is the
we
only
have happiness.
That is the only thing you have to show.
Money is not important. If you get just, I will tell you one thing, guys.
I will tell you one thing. Wait, guys.
Just I will tell one thing.
One thing. Only one thing, guys. Come on.
So many things, sir. Rich peoples only buy like things, everything. But common peoples buy health, wealth, happiness, and everything. They are discombobulated in their life, in your life.
He didn't understand. Make him understand again. Rich people can only buy.
Rich peoples can buy only money.
Rich people can buy things.
Rich people can buy only things, but common people's things buy happiness, sweetness, honesty, loyalty, and everything.
Everything.
Everything, sir.
Private jet also. Private jet. Common people.
Hey, sir. Let me speak, sir.
He's saying everything.
Private
Sit down,
jet,
please.
sir, no, sir. Private jet is a choice, only choice, sir. Private jet is only choice. God,
You said everything. How can common person buy everything?
everything means, sir, common life, sir, not luxury life. We don't need. Oh,
So you can buy only what? Chutney, momphali,
yeah, it's enough for life, sir.
सड़ा हुआ सेब, rotten apple. Rotten apple is enough for. Oh.
Sir, rich people eat luxury food, right?
Of course, no doubt.
So, in this present, every rich people wants to become a common life. They need common life, sir. Sir, even Rajinikanth also wants to live in common life. Even Elon Musk also told in one interview, every people.
Rajinikanth?
Rajinikanth, sir, Rajinikanth.
sorry.
Rajinikanth also wants to live in common life because of he knows what is the importance of common life.
Of course. Answer.
And even I will give also another
Answer,
example.
answer.
Elon Musk,
Rajinikanth.
Ronaldo,
Arre,
he
let me
is
answer
come
that.
from common life,
I have
right?
chance. I will
And
give
Elon
you
Musk
answer.
also told common life is best life,
Okay.
and
Fine.
every
fine.
common
Answer,
life
answer.
gives
Answer
happiness.
is not coming here.
You can't buy happiness with money. You only buy people. Rich people only buy people, sir.
Say Rajinikanth.
Not happiness.
You told Rajinikanth and many stars. They have the choice to become the common people. But common people had no choice to become the
Rich people. We have answer, sir. We have answer.
Say again.
Yeah.
Once again. Can you replay?
Yes, sir.
Replay.
Common people common people do not have choice to become a luxurious people.
We don't need, sir. We don't need become a luxury.
Luxurious people
Sir,
have
we don't
choice.
need, sir.
They can
Sir,
become
we
common
don't need.
people.
Listen to him.
Yes, sir. But luxurious people have chance to become the common people.
Sir.
One more answer.
Yes, wait.
One more
Another big music is coming. I will tell.
My second answer.
Tell,
My
I will
second answer. Before some time you told common people respect everyone. Yes. It is their compulsion. We respect people. It is our choice.
sir. Wait.
To respect us.
Just
to
luxury,
respect-
guys. Just listen, okay?
To respect luxurious
Common
it
people,
is your
if in
compulsion.
case
But
common people
yes.
become a rich people, he survive easily. But as a rich people goes to common life, he cannot live because
After becoming rich people.
yeah.
To respect To respect luxurious people, it is your compulsion.
Because of common
But we
people
respect
now.
common people, it is our choice.
You only have to answer one thing.
Yes.
Rich
Answer.
people.
Answer.
Guys, they don't have respect for
Of
teachers.
course.
Of course. Common people
That
never
is why
respect.
common people are common people.
You need to respect.
Say
They
that.
don't.
Say,
Hello,
actually,
guys.
that is why.
Common people. They don't respect teacher. Also, common people.
Say that is why common people are common
Sit down.
people. Say
You
that
both
is.
don't respect teachers. Rich people also don't respect teacher. You only have to answer, my dear respected speaker. He is saying that a rich person, a luxurious person has choice to live a common person, a common life. But a common person has no choice.
Yes, sir.
He has only one choice. He has only one choice, and that choice is to eat only pulse and rice.
Of course.
Sir, choice is the only responsibility, sir. We don't need choice. Yeah,
Sir,
we don't need choice.
again.
Because of we love common life.
Common life.
Why you need luxury? Why we need luxury life?
Say again, he is saying, a bald person is saying we don't like having hairs. A टकला कह रहा है कि मुझको बाल चाहिए ही नहीं.
Common people's mata ki. Jai. Common people's mata ki. Common people's mata ki.
People mata.
Luxurious पिताजी की.
Jai.
Luxurious पिताजी की. नहीं, how cute he is when he didn't have point. He did like this.
Sir, that's why I opposes the society of common
You
people.
come here. Yes.
Good morning, everybody. As I'm a rich man, as you can see. And buddy, I want to tell you all, the common people also want to become rich people, but they are hiding this thought so that we can express that we are a common people. Are you getting what I am saying? Okay. Every day they are saying that we are enjoying our life, but internally they are suffering in their life. Okay. They are doing overday work. Okay. So that I can become rich so soon. Okay. Every day they are doing overwork. And they are, if they will go to the home, they will suffer that oh my God. But what about us? We will get a massage. Okay. This is luxurious life. Now, any question? Question, please.
I am saying, sir, whosoever is a luxurious people, maybe in a past time he is a common people.
He may have been a common.
Yes, he had desire to become rich people.
Because
Of course. Because he
that
knew.
how to do hard work and how to become a successful
And why to do
people.
hard work?
This is the quality of luxurious people.
People.
Tell, come on.
There is a motivation behind the luxurious people that we have to do hard work to become a luxurious people. And what was the motivation?
What is ultimate purpose?
Yeah, please.
You don't earn money. That means
Of course we earn money.
you said that common people do hard work day by day and overnight they do. They for earning money. Then how could you get your money?
I'm not getting
Let him speak.
How could you get your money? We work this because we love it.
Okay.
And it doesn't mean it doesn't mean that common
we
people
work because
don't
we love
have
it.
it doesn't mean that
Change
common
your
people
statement.
don't have money.
He is saying
Sir.
we work because we love. Sir, common person can never love work, first
Yes,
of all. They have to do. They never
But
want to do.
but sir
Luxurious
how
people are
but
working.
sir rich
And
but sir
one more thing.
rich people how could they improve empire?
Okay, but tell me.
I want to tell you the rich people, that means you, how could you improve your empire? How could you
Now you're talking about labor, right? Again,
no, sir. I'm saying that it doesn't mean that common people don't have money. It doesn't mean we have money. I want to live a common life because this life gives peace. This life gives happiness. Because sir, if we talk about the luxury life, they have lots of afraid. We can say that they are afraid of losing money, afraid of losing positions, and so many things. Afraid of losing positions also. We can say that.
Okay.
So
If we-
so and if we live common life, then this life can teach us can teach many things, like doing hard work, doing a struggle, and we are motivated for this, and we respect all them. We know the values of.
First of all, we will come. Okay.
Okay.
First of all, sir, we the rich people don't go for government job. Okay. The poor people will go for government job and they will suffer there. He's saying that
45 years, yeah,
45 years, and after 45 years.
Commit suicide, of course.
No, sometimes, not mostly, not sometimes. And he's saying that we have fear of losing our luxurious life and empire and money.
Of course, 100%.
Then we have also the capability to build that money. But you don't have. And if you have, then there is a motivation to build money because you want to be luxurious life. You want to live that
But
life.
whatever we have, we just try to happy with them.
We are also happy.
Yes.
It is your hallucination that we are not happy. We are also
No.
happy.
No, it's not hallucination. It's the reality. It's the reality. Ashish.
Sir, as they are saying they want luxurious life, so I would like to ask a question. They want luxurious life. How do they decorate their houses and their apartments, their offices? They just kill animals and put them on the walls. This is their luxuriness, isn't it? It is cruelty, I think. You are saying that the rich people, the luxurious people don't harm the nature, but they harm the animals, the tigers, the elephants' teeth, the horn of a rhinoceros. Why are they are being killed? Because of the luxurious people. Because the luxurious people want. What you said? No. How can you say this, sir?
My brother. Okay.
It's so much sensitive point, sir.
Aquarium for decoration.
Yes, they took. And what's the desire? No, one thing is here. What's the desire of them when when they have so much money? Their desires become so much bad desires. Like they want someone like dying. They want to look someone dying, and sometimes they do cruelty on the animals and in the nature. Why do they?
Would you listen to him now?
Yes.
Now, please, Ultra HD answer. Yeah.
Actually, sir, I completely deny some of the points. As
No,
you said that
luxurious life. What is the meaning of the luxurious life? Having a chair with the skin of lions. This is the luxurious life. Having a single chair, having a plastic chair, it is common life. But having a chair which is made by the skin or with the animals, it is the luxurious life they want.
Absolutely, no doubt. No doubt. Yeah, please.
Yeah. In some of cases, it is happening. But my
Yes, you
brother-
accept it.
But
On the other hand,
on the other hand, if we talk about, we are also keep so many dogs in our house, and you the people are beating dogs in the street dogs. Okay, is that we value them? Who?
We feed them. We feed them.
You.
We daily feed them.
1 second. 1 second.
Sir, we-
Ubaid, who beats dog? Common people beat dog or rich people beat dog?
They do cruelty. They do cruelty.
Say something, please.
Actually, he absolutely right. Rich people don't have a time nowadays.
Sir.
So
I had answer.
We are beating dog actually. Who beats dog?
I have so many people, and I have seen almost common people beat
Sir, the common people are alleviating their frustration on dog. Yes.
How can you say?
Yes.
I gave you time to speak.
Okay.
After his completion.
As sir said that we don't have time to beat dog. We have time to care dogs. Okay. Okay.
Only one dog you can care.
Even we also keep street dogs. Okay.
Yeah. Sit down. Have you completed, sir?
Sir, rich people want to have penguin and polar bears in their home, and they want to feed them. What's the mentality is there? They are doing cruelty, and you are saying that we don't beat the dogs. We, the common people, we the common people have cows and buffaloes. We feed them, and we daily feed the dogs. Who said I also when I used to live in my village, so I also used to give food to dogs and which.
Guys, how greedy they are. They care the cow which gives milk.
No, we also care other
Please,
animals.
I am
we
pure
also
villager.
care.
I know very well. I know very well.
No.
Please don't talk discombobulating. Once again.
You are biased here.
I have to be biased here. Yes. I have to. See, good things should also be. Good things always should be promoted. Once again, he mentioned that we luxurious people buy animals. We take care of animals. We sleep with animals. We of course. And he is saying we take care of cows. I know, sir. What about cow? What about calves? Exactly. When they have to do milking, they have to take the milk. They will give more barsing, more bhusa, more chuni.
And the
Sir,
floor
sir.
will be dirty.
What?
Sir, you are saying?
Sir, you are saying that we are crucial to dogs, but you, as we can see, recent news about Esteem's file.
See, to the cruelty of that.
They are playing with the girls and the small childs.
Sir, you care about the pet, but you don't care about your parents. You have time for your pets, but you don't have time for your parents. What are you talking about? You guys don't have emotion. You are listless. You are heartless. Why? Because you guys marry one day, divorce another day. Marry one day, divorce another day. Why not, sir? So what? Oh God, sir. What is that? You guys don't have etiquette. You guys don't have morality. What are you talking about? Yeah, of course, yeah. Stay.
First of all,
Epstein files.
Yeah.
The common people have sold their daughters. Swear by God. Swear. Sir. First of all, I am not supporter of Epstein files. We are in front of YouTube channel actually. First of all, I'm not promoting that. But if you study very well in Epstein files, the common mothers have sold their daughters to be used.
Sir. No. Wait. Sir.
Prashant, I want to answer you.
Sir,
Prashant.
common people did not sell their girls. They were lured. They were kidnapped. They did not sell.
Okay, my brother, please listen to me.
How greedy they are.
I'm answering your question that he said that the common people don't leave their wives or husband because they have the compulsion to do not leave the husband. We have choice.
Oh God!
Okay.
Wow!
We have.
Wow!
Yes.
He said they have the compulsion. See the animalistic behavior, desire. You want to change your wife. What kind of desire do you have? Shame on you. Shame on luxurious people. Sorry, sir.
He is saying that if my wife is characterless, why should I live with my wife always?
You are characterless. Sir, it is looking like you are characterless, but you want your wife to stay with you. But your wife is characterless, you don't want your wife.
That's the point. Yes. I'm sure some people have to come here.
Okay, sir. As they are saying that we are leaving our wife and leaving her to suffer somewhere.
Of course, yeah.
First of all, it is happening in some of cases, not in every time.
For you it's acceptance. For you it's acceptance. Sir.